fifth graders. In social studies today, you're learning about voting. When you were in class, your teacher gave you a packet. It was an article with questions attached. So I'd like for you to get that packet of paper. It should be in your school folder, and then you're going to need something to write with. You have the article in front of you, and so you can read that article. The other option is I've put a link in Schoology, and if you click on the link, it says open the article. And so if you click on the link, it will open the same article that you have on paper. It will open it in a Google Doc. The advantage of opening it in a Google Doc is that you have the read and write for Google extension. So if you click on the purple puzzle piece, you get the menu. And if you start your cursor at your first word, then you can come here and press play.
Any U.S. citizen who is at least 18 years old
and the read and write extension will read it for you. Fifth graders, we've learned in reading that reading a text more than one time helps us become a stronger reader. So you're going to read this. You can read it on your paper, or you can have read and write read it to you on the computer. And I want you to think about what you understand, what questions you have, what might be confusing. After you read or listen to it one time, you're going to do it again. Yep, read it again. As a reader, when you're reading it the second time, notice what you might have missed. Maybe something that was confusing the first time is now making sense. Maybe you have an additional question. After you've read the article 2 times, then I'd like for you to go to the questions. The person who wrote the article also wrote the questions. Fifth graders, they're connected. So when you read the question, if you're not quite sure, you're like, I don't know. Don't just make a guess. Go to the article and find the information in the article. That takes time. It takes time and it takes patience, and I know that you can do it. So take responsibility for your learning, read the article 2 times, and then use the article to help you answer the questions. You can do this.